Now we're going to take a look at the JSTOR database. So go ahead and click here. This one you are going to have to create an account for. It remembered my username and password. I would say click the login and do the login with Google and use your school email, school password. Because this is affiliated with Bayport, we pay for this subscription, so you need that. Okay, and this one is kind of like a Google, so just go ahead and type in your topic. And same thing, you can do some of the filtering over here if you'd like. With this one, I'm just going to kind of skim the titles because at this point I've got a lot of the basic knowledge of King Henry VIII. So now I'm looking for some more resources that are going to give me some unique perspectives. So at this point I have not gotten anything on his health history. So that sounds like a new article that I'm going to learn new information on. So I'm going to click that one. So what you can do then is download the PDF in order to view this. If you scroll down, this gives you just a little abstract so you can kind of see what it would look like that you're going to be reading. Obviously, that's too small for you to actually read. Same thing, it would let you cite this. So MLA, I just go ahead and copy that one. If you do download it as a PDF, that means you can save it and you have access to this. It also gives you this information here. Same thing if you go up and if you just copy the URL, it's not going to save this document. So I'd go right down here where it says stable URL, and I would copy and paste this one into my research log. And again, you can keep going back to your search results. This one is handy because it tells you right off the bat what type of source it is. So if I don't want to read any more journal articles, I can go over here and take a look at pamphlets, update my results that way, and take a look at some of these topics. So this is a pamphlet, same thing, I could download the PDF, I could cite it, and right here I've got the stable URL where I would be able to copy and paste that into my source.